3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off. Something I haven't seen quite yet. Project 212, 7137, holding a piece of coral in the top corner of their bot. 1678 scoring 3 pieces, going for 4, maybe 5 during auto. Same on the Red Alliance, scoring 3 pieces of coral on 4th level of the Reeve. Unfortunately, 3598 doesn't get that last piece. Project 212 going for the defense, making it rough for the rest of the team on the Red Alliance to score anymore. They continue to score 2 more pieces of coral on the L4 of the Reeve. Meanwhile, Project 84-0 removing algae, getting it out of the way for the rest of their team. On the Blue Alliance, 1678, the Citrus Circuits almost completing a full top shelf, missing 4 pieces of coral left. 9125, the Mechanical Magician scoring more in the 2nd level, trying to get that 1 ranking point. 1 minute, 30 seconds remaining in the match. Red Alliance looks like Project 212 is playing a very tough and still defense against the Red Alliance, making it more and more difficult for them to be able to get pieces of coral. However, they are not bothered by continuing to take pieces of coral from their left side. Doesn't look like they're going to quite go for any teams going for cooperation points. Means all 4 levels of their reef has to be filled out during the match. On the Blue Alliance, we can see Citrus Circuits going for the 2nd level after almost completing their top level of their coral. 9125 looking to get a level 2. Meanwhile, 1678 continuing to do level 3, filling that out, get more points, leaving some on the back. Never mind, with 1 last piece of coral remaining on the reef. On the Red Alliance, looks like they're all but 1 filled out in level 4. Looking to fill out level 3 more, 2473. Red Alliance looks like they might be trying to go for the ranking point, leaving one of their bots, 840. The Aragon Robotics team playing a tough defense, making it difficult for 9125. Mechanical Magicians to score with 20 seconds remaining left in the match. Red Alliance continues to try to keep scoring. Unfortunately, 3598 doesn't get that last piece of coral. 3598 looking to try to get a line, but it looks like they got 3 pieces of algae in the way, making it a little bit more difficult for them. On the Red Alliance, 1 robot hanging. Citrus Circuits, 1678 does so successfully. And we have 1 robot hanging on the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance doesn't get their last 5 out of the 6 robots going underneath the barge. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like Blue Alliance. The score of 173 to 108. Blue Alliance getting 5 ranking points, not getting the coral because they barely missed it by not filling up their trough. Blue Alliance scoring 127.